now. So, let's all welcome our trainer, si Coach Jeffrey.
Hello, hello. Ayan.
Kailangan patanggal ng spotlight kasi naiilang ako dun sa mukha.
Sige, kukunin ko spotlight. Ayan na, binigay na sa akin. Hey everyone, good afternoon. Yeah, so let's begin. Makikilala niyo naman ako in the training, so doon na lang ako magpakilala.
I think
and all.
What they don't know siguro is that nung nag-start ka ng personal finance coaching mo, business, like I think the very first way na you earned money was through affiliate promotion.
Yeah, through affiliate, and then basically from being an affiliate of other programs, dun ako napunta sa network nila Alan Ngo, nila John, and from there, like getting to meet people in the nagpo-promote as an affiliate as well. And then there was one time na si John nagtanong kay Luis kung may kakilala ba siyang could handle an affiliate launch, and then that's how I got connected with Thrive, and I handled the first affiliate launch nung Thrive way back like 2019 or 2020 ata yun. And yeah, so kaya ako napunta sa affiliate management. And now I feel blessed that I'm able to work with many affiliates, and they come from different walks of life, different backgrounds, different skills. Yeah, I'm very excited to share with you today yung how do you integrate yung pagiging affiliate with your career as a freelancer. So I'm very excited for this. Type naman ng game na sa chat para meron akong time mag-share screen. Yun naman. Alright. So, pahingi naman ako ng go signal on the if the slides are clear. Clear? Alright. Thanks, Day. Alright. So let's go. Ang title ng training natin today is Integrating Affiliate Promotions into integrating affiliate promotions as a freelancer into 4 to 7 figure bonus affiliate incomes. Okay? So, nagsimula ako ng slides like inisip ko 4 to 6 figures lang, yun yung nasa title slide natin. But as I was interviewing some affiliates, parang yung iba nagbibigay na 7 figures, so okay, in-update ko na rin siya. Okay, so who this training is for? This is for any freelancer na on any stage, so whether stage 1, you're starting out to make an offer, stage 2, getting your client, or 3 and 4 onwards, and gusto mo ng more income without having to get another client or having to create a new product or service, then this training is for you. Now, ang pag-uusapan natin today is etong 3 things na ito. First is the right balance of affiliate promotions with your freelancing business. Kasi syempre, your freelancing business is your main thing. Or if you are employed somewhere else pa, you're transitioning to full-time freelancing, then diba, yung work mo yung main thing, and then the freelancing is the second thing, and then etong affiliate is your third thing. So parang paano mo ngayon ibabalance and then navigate yun given the many things that you may have going on in your life with your profession and family. Now, so that's the first part. The second part is pag-uusapan natin yung success spiral that you have as a freelancer. Kasi you actually have the ability to grow your affiliate income year after year in a way na nag-complement siya ng freelancing business mo. This is just one slide, actually, itong buong section ito. But once you see it, it's gonna help you so much. And then third topic na itatakal natin is the number 1 document you should have to make all your affiliate promotions simple and easy. So I prepared a template for you that you can make a copy of in this presentation, and then mag-activity tayo mamaya. And yeah, para set ka na in your affiliate promotions. So if you get this right, here is what's possible. So as an affiliate manager, I get to work with many affiliates then. And these are some of the affiliates na freelancers and at the same time earning as an affiliate. So halimbawa, we have here an agency owner, an email copywriter who has earned 1.7 M na from affiliate programs alone. And yes, there's still a freelancer. Yan si Darwin, si Bea, also a tribe member, earned 300K plus from promoting a fitness program. Si Mao has promoted several affiliate offers. Over half M na ang kinikita din. Si Day is here. We have 70 plus K from affiliate commissions ng tribe and email copywriting. And yan, si Lani, nakuha ko from the recent tribe launch pala na also earned 50 plus K. So yeah, different backgrounds, different services that are being provided, and may potential talaga siya na pwedeng kitain. And baka sabihin nyo kasi na, mga sikat tong mga tao to, mga prominent members of the community. But if I actually review yung mga, like the affiliates that I work with, here is a sample screenshot of the payouts that we're doing. So, yung picture dito sa left is a commission report. Siyempre, blurred out ko na lang yung mga names. But, ayan, so the top earner earned 260K, and then we have people earning 5K for generating about one sale. And then, in another freelancing program na hindi tribe, so ito yung mga payouts na process namin sa kanila. And it's not just 1, 2, or 3. Like, there are times that we process hundreds of payouts. And this becomes possible when, again, you learn how to integrate yung pagiging affiliate into your freelancing life as well. So with the lessons you learn here, you'll see how to earn anywhere from 1,000 pesos all the way to 500K plus. And it's something na can happen. Nagiging parang bonus income siya. About 1 to 6 times a year, depende kung may mga launches yung programs and all that. Okay, so with that, let's begin by setting the baseline first. May gusto rin makinig sa training. Ayan. May bisita ako sa training. Okay, so what is affiliate income? So being an affiliate it's income that you can earn from promoting other people's products. And the main way you earn is going to be via commissions. So sometimes meron din yung extra prizes na ina-award, mga raffle awards to the top affiliates. Sometimes it's all expense paid trip, and all of these things that can happen. But mainly it's gonna be via commissions. And the compensation as an affiliate, it's purely results based. So walang fixed income, so walang sweldo, unlike freelancing, and wala rin siyang income ceiling. Ibig sabihin, most affiliate deals, ang setup nito is if you refer one, you earn this amount. If you sabihin natin, if the program is, if you earn one, you earn 20%, and then tuloy-tuloy yun, yung pag-scale nun. So if you're able to refer 100, then wala rin ceiling ka. Ay walang income ceiling. Gusto ko lang to i-contrast yung difference ng being affiliate from being an influencer, or being paid to advertise something. Kasi most ng influencers, they have what's called like rate cards, wherein magpo-promote sila ng product in exchange for a fixed 50K. And it doesn't matter if they were able to refer like one person or 100 people, they earn a fixed rate of 50K. So, ginagawa ko lang yung distinction na yun para lahat tayo alam what it means to be an affiliate, where you can earn from promoting other people's products. And ano ba yung value behind affiliate income? Like, bakit is it just all sales na kung ba't kumikita ng ganun kalalaking amounts? It's actually founded on this. So parang sa sasakyan na if nawala ng battery isang sasakyan, kunwari lang, a car can lend its power para makapag-start ulit yung isa pang sasakyan. Okay? Now, in the same essence, tayo as an affiliate, the value we give to the business owner is that we can lend trust and introduce our network. So two keywords yan. If you want to do well as an affiliate, you'll always be building trust and you'll always be building your network as well. Kasi the more your audience trust you, tumataas yung capability mo mag-recommend ng anything. And the larger your network, also, mas marami kang tao na pwedeng ma-refer as an affiliate. Okay? Are we clear so far on the basics? Hindi pa tayo start ng training, but this is just the basics of affiliate marketing. Okay? So hindi siya basta-basta pera-pera, benta-benta lang. When we are an affiliate, this is what we're giving. We're passing on trust to another entity and pinapakilala natin yung network natin. Now, eto siya. Kaya ako very excited in this training is because as you grow as a freelancer, naturally, each one of us here will also increase the trust that you have with the clients, with the people that you work with and hang out with and network with as part of your journey as a freelancer. And during that time din, habang naghahanap tayo ng mga clients, nakakamit tayo ng friends and tribe mates, we're also building our network. So, para lang malinaw, at least for the full-time freelancers here, your main stream of income is going to be your income from your clients. And with this training, you can unlock a second stream of income by being an affiliate to products you already believe in and can recommend to others. So, simulan na tayo with first the right balance of affiliate promotions with your freelancing business, depending on which stage you're in. So, ito na yung table. Ito na yung summary of how to go about it. If you are in stage 1 or stage 2, yeah, so you're in the process of creating your offer or you're in the process of getting your first client, what can you promote as an affiliate? What I recommend is programs that you have taken before. So halimbawa niyan is Tribe. And I'm not just saying that dahil, this is Tribe-sponsored training. But yan yung starting point natin, yung mga programs that you've taken before. And the effort that you allocate to this is 10% dun sa affiliate thing, sa side income, and then 90% focus pa rin sa freelancing. Kasi yung logic behind this na we need to be sensitive here is because as a freelancer, you can really earn so much more than by being an affiliate. So yung efforts natin, like if you're able to get a client paying like 20K, 30K, 50K a month, versus, di ba, nag-promote tayo as an affiliate and you earn 30K one time, we would want that recurring thing. And mas posible yung recurring income when it comes to freelancing. You can treat affiliate income as regular bonus income. Ganun siya ina-approach. Now, as you move up in the zero to CEO map, and you go to consistent income na, we can start to expand our services offered in the products that we're promoting. Wherein nagiging affiliate ka na for some software, maybe nagiging affiliate for some tools that you have. And if you're wondering like, anong software, anong tools ang pwede kong gamitin, mamaya may activity tayo dyan. For now, let's understand the big picture na sa simula, it's just programs you've taken. Next stage na pwede nang i-add is yung mga software, tools used in business. And we maintain the effort na as you're scaling your freelancing business, yun pa rin ang focus, but you get to enjoy a bit more, playing in the affiliate area. So you can go as low as 10% affiliate or up to 30%. Basta you keep your main thing as your freelancing. And then, pagdating naman sa stage 4, where probably dito meron ng agency or nagpo-productize na, may course owners na, you're seen as an authority in your service, in your niche, then you can even add complementary programs or even competitor programs. Meaning, nagre-refer ka na sa competing businesses or services. And I'll explain the reason why that can become profitable as well. But again, babalik tayo sa point na the main thing is freelancing and then add on natin itong mga to. So, what does this look like? Ito ang sample calendar ng someone in stage 1 or stage 2 na magpapasok ng affiliate income sa kanyang kalendaryo. So, let's say this is for 2025. O yan, January, magla-launch si Tribe. So, sige, let's mark that in. I'm gonna be promoting that. And then the rest of the months, sige, freelancing focus. Let's do this. Let's grow the freelancing business. And then June, maybe napagod. Okay, self-care mode, pahinga ng 2 weeks. So may rest time. July, I believe baka mag-launch ulit ang Tribe or maybe another program. Then you put it in your calendar and then the rest of the time, okay, freelancing focus ulit after nung launch nila and then pahinga ng December. So, ito ang sample na kalendaryo ng freelancer na nagpapahinga, nagpo-focus sa freelancing, and at the same time, nagpo-promote as an affiliate. And an example of that is ito. Parang ayan pala. So the best way to increase your income as an affiliate is to also generate results from the programs you're taking. So because you're here in Tribe, the more results you generate from Tribe as well, syempre, lumalakas din yung hatak mo kasi nakakakuha ka ng results. Same goes for any other program. So if you join a fitness program, you get good results from there. Then, pag maging affiliate ka ng program na yon, chances are makakahata ka ng tao. So lesson here, if you're taking programs, like, please go all out, like aim to get results. Kasi it unlocks a new level of income, both in the program and as an affiliate. So ito sample natin. Tanong ako sa affiliate na I've worked with before. And tinanong ko siya, hey, magkano yung kinita mo sa freelancing? Magkano na yung kinita mo sa affiliates? So, ito, nag-share siya ng kwento niya na they've been freelancing for about 4 months this year kasi nag-prepare for a wedding and moving in and so on. So, ito, ang kinita niya from freelancing, around 200K. In affiliate commissions naman, 100K. So, kumbaga, just because meron siyang extra income as an affiliate, that's like 50%, 46% na bonus income. Okay? So, that's for those in stage 1 or stage 2. Ito yung mga possibilities and, real income outputs. Now, let's go naman sa stage 3. So for someone na may consistent income or building towards that, pwedeng ganito yung itsura ng kalendaryo niya. Na, ayan, support siya ng Tribe launch ng January, and then freelancing focus next 2 months, or magsisay no muna siya sa mga opportunities, and then another program sometime in April, focus ulit, promote ng affiliate sometime in July, freelancing focus ulit, and then, keeping the rest of the year open and pahinga. So yeah, you can be promoting multiple things as well. I saw a question here. Tanong ni Anna Faye. By the way, feel free to throw in questions as I'm doing the presentation. Okay lang yan. So possible ba na may multiple affiliate freelancer na mag-work sa isang program? As a freelancer, you can promote multiple programs. Hindi naman kailangan na restricted ka to one thing that you're promoting. Okay? So halimbawa, let's go to ayan. If you're in stage 3, I would recommend you create your own recommended resources document na. And this is an activity we'll do later. This is where you can promote stuff passively naman. So, eto, I asked another freelancer din, magkano na yung kinita niya sa freelancing, magkano na yung in affiliate income. This was for 2023, yun yung shinare niya sa akin. So, eto na, medyo may clients na siya. So that's earning about like 120K a month. So nasa 6-figure freelance setup na siya. And for their affiliate income, it's about 800K. So 1M din, not bad na. Actually, 50K pa nga lang, di ba? Not bad extra income na yun. But yeah, this is what's possible again when we integrate it. Consuelo asked here, to whom shall we connect to become an affiliate? I'll show you that later. So punta tayo sa stage 4. Ano bang itsura ng stage 4? So kunwari lang coach na ito, meron na siyang brand, may email list na and all of that. So posibleng nag-promote siya twice as an affiliate, nag-focus siya sa agency niya for 2 months of the year, nag-promote na naman ng another thing in April, nagpahinga nung May, nag-promote ng event nung June, and again, a lunch, and then yung sarili niyang coaching program sometime in August, wala sa October, nag-promote ng Black Friday deals ng November, nagpahinga ng December. So, ayan, again, this is just a sample of what your year could look like, promoting different things. And of course, meron na tong recommended resources doc that I'll show later. And nagtanong ako sa friend din na ano bang itsura ng income. So, eto, sabi niya sa akin, more or less 12M per year na siya at the moment. And freelancing niya ngayon is like 10% of his income. Coaching is about 80%, affiliate 10%. So, nag-scale na rin to that amount. Then sabi niya, they're considering or they're diversifying into an agency as well. So, ito na yung nagpa-branch out na path talaga. Okay, so ang question ko with the numbers that I've shown here, exciting ba to, guys, na ma-unlock and matutunan? Even if like, di ba, kung stage 1 ka ngayon, if it takes you like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years to reach these amounts, not bad na rin, di ba? Okay? So, to give you a background pa ng pinaka-benefit talaga of sharing affiliate offers. Ito yung ito yung minamanage ko na because I'm speaking with freelancers of all levels, di ba? If you're stage 1, stage 2, recommendation ko talaga like focus on freelancing, try out affiliate marketing so that you get better in sales, you get to help the people around you in that way. Don't make it your main focus. As you move up in the stages, ito na yung nagiging impact. So halimbawa, let's talk about a social media manager. As you do your business, makaka-encounter ka ng clients who cannot afford your rates or possibly walang assets. So hindi mo siya pwedeng i-take on as a client. But our goal is to still come from a place of help. Paano mo ba siya matutulungan nang hindi kinakain yung oras mo or bandwidth mo? Then maybe meron kang alam na product that you can recommend to them. Oh, hey, have your marketing team go over this. Kasi ito rin yung sinundan ko. And you can earn from that as an affiliate. Or maybe habang nagdi-discovery call ka with a client, and then discover mo yung problem niya naman, hindi naman solvable by social media management. So, maybe you can recommend a course on funnels. Na, hey, ito yung course na feeling ko mas importante ngayon. Or maybe kung may ka-connect ka ng freelancer, and yung freelancer na yun, may referral rates when they get clients, pasa mo sa kanila. Okay? Kunwari naman, ang dami mo nang natatanggap. Like, di ba, we openly share our success here in Tribe. Like, we normalize that, celebrating success. And because of your success, ang dami mo ngayon natatanggap na, Coach, paturo naman. Paturo naman, paturo naman. But ayaw mo naman magturo. You want to help, but you know, you have a boundary din dun on how you want to teach. So maybe you can recommend someone, a friend of yours, maybe a competitor, collaborator. Ginagamit ko loosely yung word na competitor na sometimes people think of it as competitor, pero sa totoo, pwede naman collaboration kayo. Then pasa mo sa kanya yung course on social media management. Parang you can learn from this person. Kasi I highly recommend her, kabarkada ko yan, and so on. And you earn from an affiliate. If you're already a course creator, if you have an email list, an audience, and you're selling your own products, chances are meron kang mga non-buyers. So, posibleng nagbenta ka na sa kanila 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, hindi sila bumibili. And actually, majority naman talaga ng tao hindi bumibili. Then, you offer complementary products. Kasi baka yun ang mas fit sa kanila. So this is the mindset and perspective that I want you to have when it comes to looking at affiliate offers. You're still helping people, but alam mo yun, hindi ko na yun focus eh. So, ito na lang, tingnan mo to. Okay? Now, let's go sa next topic natin. So, ito yung right balance. Now, let's go to the success spiral. So, how we grow as freelancers is ito yung general path, di ba? Following the roadmap. So first, you choose your service. Next, you learn how to get clients. Okay? And Tribe already shows us how to do this. Now, of course, once you get clients, you want to deliver results. So you attend skill mastery sessions. Possibly on your own, you get courses. You learn from the courses of other coaches. You read books. You get mentors. And you deliver results for the purpose na parang pagka nag-deliver ka ng result, ultimately yung result na maganda na nagawa mo, masishare siya. Whether you share it openly or you celebrate it sa loob ng tribe or your client themselves by word of mouth, magsasabi sila na, oh, I'm very happy with the work of this person. So in a sense, dahil na-share yung results na nagagawa mo, nag-i-expand na rin yung network mo. And as you attract more people to work with you, of course, ikaw mapipressure ka rin, hey, I want to get better at what I do. Mag-geek out na ako about my craft. I'm gonna be better at this. So you invest in more tools, maybe more software, maybe more courses, and so on. And ultimately, you get even more. That's the general path. So paano ngayon pumapasok dito ang affiliate offers? Well, in your path to deliver results, as you take courses, as you do research, makaka-encounter ka ng mga products and programs, mga coaches, which can be affiliate offers. As you discover affiliate offers, mga pwede mong ibenta, nag-i-expand din yung mga tao na pwede mong ma-reach. And as that expands as well, makaka-discover ka ng even more tools, even more affiliate offers, and you get more people to offer affiliate offers to. So, ang kagandahan dito, yung nakakatuwa dito, by really making freelancing your focus, by having that desire to get good at your craft, at your service, makaka-encounter ka ng products at lalaki yung network mo. And with that, your ability to earn as an affiliate also grows. Okay? By aiming to become a successful freelancer, you also enable yourself for more affiliate income. And ako, makwento ko lang that the best affiliates actually that I've worked with hundreds of affiliates from different programs that the best affiliates, yung mga nagta-top affiliates, they tend to be people na hindi sila full-time affiliate marketer. Instead, they are business owners na kilala in their industry, like they pursue their craft, they're a recognized authority, and then they just happen to, sige, supportahan ko yung program na yan. I'll also promote it. Yan ang nagiging top affiliates. And hindi yung naka-full focus sa affiliate. So, we have awareness affiliates, focus natin, freelance. Ang kulit ko, no? Sa message. Nika is asking, can we get a copy of the slides? Yeah, sure. I think publish naman replay din ito. Okay, so with that, let's stop talking theory. Let's go to the number one document you should have to make all your affiliate promotions simple and easy. Okay, so here we go. Please scan the QR code, open it up, and make a copy. Or you can go to this this site, bit.ly/AO template. Sabi ni Luis dito, Teki, marunong na mag-QR code, yes! Yeah, so scan it, open it up, and add it to your bookmarks. Ngayon pa lang, lagyan nyo na yung bookmark. And then, kung trip nyo talaga, like kung gusto nyo seryosohin talaga to, like set a reminder a month from now, and then make it recur every 6 months para ma-update mo tong template na to. So what you do is make a copy of this template. So ako rin, open ko siya on my end. Okay, is everyone seeing the Google Sheet na? Are we in the Google Sheet? This is the number one document you should have. Okay, so the first part here that we have is labeled affiliate link. So make a copy and then rename it to your name na. Okay? By the way, guys, excuse lang sa yung ingay ng kids. Sila eh. Summer break sila ngayon eh. So walang school. Nagsisigawan dito. Oh. Okay, so this is a simple sheet. Ang ginagawa natin dito is this is where we collect all our affiliate links. So, halimbawa, kung affiliate ka na ng tribe, lagay mo na dito tribe, lagay mo yung affiliate link mo, and then if you use bit.ly or a shortener, then lagay mo dito and lagay mo yung notes. So this is just a repository of your affiliate links para hindi siya madali na lang siya makita. Okay? By having this document handy, kapag may nagtanong sa'yo, you can quickly pass na, check mo tong resource na to, then, bam, affiliate link na siya. Kasi hassle, kung kukunin mo pa siya lagi from alam mo, pupunta ka pa sa email, hanapin mo pa yung affiliate link doon. So by having this document, mabilis na lang. Okay? Okay, now let's go sa next set of sheets. Let's go dun sa brainstorm part. And ito na, may question. Like, how can you find affiliate offers? Okay, so I invite you to do this exercise with me. We'll set up a timer and gagawin natin siya. I'll run you through this first. Kasi you will be super, super duper surprised na ang dami palang pwedeng affiliate programs na i-offer. Okay? But again, sasabihin ko ulit focus natin freelancing. Focus natin freelancing bago tayo malulun at masilaw dito sa madaming affiliate offers. Okay. So the primary sources of your affiliate, parang most profitable affiliate offers will come from programs and courses you've taken before. But like Tribe, 50% commission. If you've joined other courses, normally nasa like 20%, 30%, 40% commissions yung mga yan. So sino yung mga coaches na you've studied under before? Put them here. Lagyan nyo lang yung name, okay? Or the name of their program. So listan nyo lang siya. Okay, let me set a timer dito. Or sige, I think what we'll do is I'll go through everything here, and then I'll give you time ng about like Ano, Luis, ang normal na ano, na like kapag nag-activity sa mga calls? Like 5 minutes?
Makabaling 5, mga 3.
3, okay. O sige, sige. And then the rest you can continue at your own time now. Sige. So I'll go over this, then we'll take a 3-minute break para you can sort of fill out your own sheet. Next thing is you go to your subscriptions. So go to your emails, kanino ka ba nakakatanggap ng mga email, kani-kaninong newsletter ba yung mga yung binabasa natin, and just put their names here. And then if you have a credit card bill, then check kung ano mga software ba yung nandun, like san ba siya nakasubscribe. Just put them down here na, nga pala, no, meron nga pala akong subscription dito sa Canva, may subscription ako dito sa gantong tool, sa AppSumo, ganyan, softwares. The next segment is in your phone naman. So just go over to your phone, look at the apps there, and put down the apps na parang reasonable to share or promote. Like, hindi naman lahat ng apps. I don't know, Tinder meron bang ano, affiliate offer? Sige nga. Tinder affiliate program. Wala. Ayan, so reasonable. Kaya ako sabi reasonable kasi hindi ko alam kung everyone ba has an affiliate program. Kalang, naligaw ako na-distract sa sariling ano. Okay, so yun, apps in your phone. Next is the hobbies that you have or communities or the forums that you visit. Maybe you review your week, groups you belong to, and so on. And ito, like, halimbawa na lang ako nata-target ako ng ads recently ng ano, ng ano ba yung mga relationship, mga get your ex back, or parang ganun. I don't know why, but if ever lang na mayroong mga ganun na, you know, going through relationship courses, programs, and you follow it, and you know, nag-subscribe ka, then it's a possibility na may mga affiliate offers yung mga. Okay, other things are everyday products you use or brands that you love naman. And then friends or clients in the space or checking your feed. Yeah. So let's go on a 3-minute break. Just top of mind. I'll set a timer, 3 minutes. Or sa Google na lang pala. Just fill it out, yung sheet nyo. Para ma-experience nyo din siya and makasabay kayo sa next step. Okay? Make a copy sa sheet. So, hit file, make a copy, and then palitan nyo na yung name. Alright? I'll set a 3-minute timer. And go. Siguro pwede tayo mag-music ng konti. No? Habang nag-aano kayo. Pahingin ng link. Ito. There you go. Yeah. Make a copy. You know, just write 10. 5 would be good. Sige, stop share ako.
Take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive. I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo, just right. I will love you tonight. Give me everything tonight.
Actually pala, sorry, parang distracting pala yung music. Huwag na lang. Thank you, Ella. Naging okay. Tanong ni Aldrich, dapat ba mag-affiliate ka lang ng isang category or theme like health, wealth, or relationship? Kahit ano naman. Mamaya, bibigyan ko kayo ng conditions on when you should promote something or not. But for now, we're in the brainstorming phase. Do fill out what you can in the time that we have.
So those three identifiers.
Yeah, lagay nyo lahat. Okay, we have about a minute and or yeah, about a minute. Okay, about last 30 seconds. Nagtatanong dito si Lizelle, good opportunity po ba if ever na may nag-reach out sa akin na coach for Realtor, them asking me to be an affiliate for this program. Ikaw, evaluate mo yung program niya if you think it's nice. Timer ended na. Okay, timer ended na daw tayo. Sige. So, gusto ko kayo mauna, maglagay kayo ng mga things na nilagay niyo dyan sa chat. Titingnan ko lang. Let's do some exercises for you and then galing sa akin. Okay. Kapag abbreviation pa-describe nung kung ano yung program na pinagsusulat niyo dyan. Program, products, subscriptions, at least yung parts na willing kayo i-share. Diba? Sige nga, type in the chat anong mga nilagay nyo. Built with Science, Jeremy Ether. Okay, so lagay natin. Okay, Funnel Master Academy.
Hindi ka na naka-share.
Ay, hindi na pala ako naka-share screen. Sige. Saan na yung chat? Para hindi ako maligaw. Sinong author nitong Funnel Master Academy? Put in the names din para intensive, Darla what?
Siya yung sa Funnel Master agad.
Okay. Darla.
Funnel Mastery siya.
Funnel Master. Okay, Funnel Master. FMA. FMAD. Okay. Sige, ano pa? Ayan, nandun na si Tribe. UI, B-School. How about, puro mga programs to How about, dito sa other categories? Meron ba kayong nalagay?
Yung nagsabi, Airtable.
Ayan, nga, Airtable. Airtable. Host Zinger. Ayan, host. Zinger. 1min AI, Systemi, IO, Helium. Sige. Let's go sa apps. Apps sa phone. Okay, Canva. Or CosRX. Everyday brand. CosRX. Triple Whale is an app. I don't know kung ano yan. But sige lang. AppCut. Unfold. Okay, how about your hobbies, guys? Ano ba itong Strava? Strava is a brand. Pagkadating sa
App yung Strava.
app yun, fashion brand. Okay.
Yata.
Gardening.
Fitness yata.
Hindi ko rin alam. Okay, toy. Let's go with specific, don't just say toy, like say a specific brand or like, ano ba? Like, ano yung mga toys na, yung maliliit na figurines? Yan, kunwari, fully booked. Yan.
PS, PlayStation Plus.
Ayan, PS5. O, sige. Ano pa? Could be games, CrossFit. Pray. O yan, o, sige. Parenting and families. Okay, so what you actually do here, wag console, or sige, pwedeng console, Nintendo Switch. Pero, medyo alam ko na ilalabas yan. Sige, pwedeng may lumabas pa rin na productive. So let's start. So how do you find affiliate programs? What you do, very simple, is type in the keyword plus affiliate program in Google. Lahat ng nilista nyo dito, ayun, pang-cope up. Pang-cope up. Yan. I think that's the... Okay. Hasbro. McFarlane. Mattel. Yan. Sige. Mga toy, Okay. So, I'll do some. So, built with science kay Jeremy Ether, what I'll do is... So, lagay natin yan. Built with science, Jeremy Ether, affiliate program. And then, we check kung meron ba. O yan, built with science. Affiliate portal. So, ano yung affiliate program nila? Ito ba to? With Jeremy Ether? Or ibang website na built with science?
Yun.
Ito yun? Ito, tamang brand. Okay, 20% off for you, 15% Amazon gift card. Okay, ayan. So, ito na. Ito na yung affiliate program niya. So, normally, you'd pursue signing up here or pwede naman na ilalagay natin siya dito sa Afflinks. So, build with science. Okay. Then, maybe just the affiliate program for now, and then we look for the Afflink later. Okay, so that's a simple way. That's one of the first ways. Let's see kung meron pa bang bago. Ayan. Funnel Mastery Academy kay Darla. Okay. Funnel Mastery Academy, Darla. Okay, affiliate program. Affiliate. Sa kanya ba to? Si Darla May. Okay. You can just do something like this, message. Parang, how can I... Hi, Darla. Hi, Darla. Just wondering if you have an affiliate program for FMA. I would love to promote. Okay.
Dito si
Personal
Darla.
ano?
Nakita ko kanina.
Nandito ba? Apart ba siya? Ayan, pero this is,
wala siya.
but kumbaga, I would just directly message kasi hindi ko alam na part pala siya. So yun, I would just outright directly message the person na parang, hi, I'm a student of the community. I'd love to be an affiliate. Do you have one? Do you have an affiliate program? So yun, pagka hindi natin mahanap in Google, you can message them directly, email their support, ask in the community, nakita ko may Facebook group siya, and say na you'd love to promote as an affiliate if meron silang program. Okay? Ganun din, SSF Trading, I don't know what this is, F Trading, affiliate program. Ito ba yung SSF, Interactive Brokers? Well, you would know kung sino man yung naglagay nun. Okay, so pretty straightforward for the programs. So subscription, same thing. You'd be surprised some of the tools that you may be using already have affiliate programs. So let's go with Airtable. Ayan, may partner program sila. So what do they offer? Cash in on connections. Ito ba yun? Hindi, parang sample lang po. Apply to affiliate program. We'll use the responses below. O yan na. Share a bit about your main channels. Yan, you can apply. So ang tip dito, if ever you apply, always send a follow-up email to make sure na malaman nila na interested and serious affiliate ka. Ang ibig sabihin nun, kung kunwari, after you fill this out, posibleng may matanggap kang email, posibleng wala, pero right after nun, mag-send ka ng email sa Airtable support saying na, hi, I'm ganito, I just applied to be an affiliate. Kasi sometimes, these companies will screen their affiliates. So that's a way to stand out. Okay? Ayan, so all the apps that you have here, like, check it out if they have affiliate programs. If they do, just add them here. Para unti-unti mo nang build yung template. Okay, same thing goes with, sabihin natin, CapCut. Ayan, CapCut. Ayan, meron pala. CapCut, affiliate program, partners. Can apply now. Sign up. Contract terms. Customer side, 35%. Generous nila. Customer country, region is not from US. From US lang. Corny. O yun, may mga ganyan times na hindi tayo qualified, but it's okay. If you still use it, then you can have it here, and that's part of it. Okay, let's go kay kunwari Funko Pop. Ayan, you'd be surprised at some things. Baka meron reseller sa US siya. Meron sa ano to? UI. Funko. Fee.io. Parang per country based eh. Resellers. Is this Japanese? It's on Commission Junction. Okay. Yun, so kumbaga ayokong what do you call this? Kasi rabbit hole to eh. Like if you start clicking on one, you'll do next, but give yourself time to do the rabbit hole, the research, para lang makita mo which ones have affiliate offers. So for example, I put here in my sample, ayan, ito yung mga things na nung nag-brainstorm ako for about like 30 minutes. These are the people, products that I personally use. Ayan, nagulat ako dito na since I'm interested in board games, board game. Ayan, I searched Board Game Geek affiliate program, and then may forum dito na list of game sellers with affiliate programs, and then I can now start to search from there. So yung hobby ko, baka may affiliate program pala siya. Okay, so I think we can move forward sa topic. But may questions ba on finding affiliate programs? Like 100% clear na ba how you find affiliate programs to offer? Okay, so e-effortan na lang natin. With that, let's go sa next step. Tika, can we go over there, please? I'm gonna start teaching again. Thank you. Oops. Okay, so with that, let's go back sa wala ko ba yung slide ko? Oo, wait lang. Let me open it up. Happy affiliates. And then, what was that? Name. Ito. Okay. So, eto na siya. We fill this out. And then, meron kayong isa pang link na makukuha dito. If you go to template sa taas, hindi siya naka-share. If you click the link sa taas, you can have a list of recommended programs and services. So, let me paste this. Okay. So you can make another copy ulit. But this is a super simple way for you to compile the affiliate offers that you have without having to have your own website. Okay, so kahit wala kang website, have a document ready, something like this. And I'll walk you through kung paano tong document na to. So rename it to you, make a copy ulit, your names list of recommended programs and services. Add a bit of snippet na, ayan, these are product services I've come across and would highly recommend. I've compiled them all kasi madalas ako natatanong by friends. Then you declare na some of them are affiliate links. And you also put there na I can guarantee that I only share about products I 100% believe in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me about it. Bigay mo email mo or text message mo. So here, you now start to compile everything. So ano ba yung tools na ginagamit mo for your surveys? And then, you put a photo, your affiliate link, a description of what it does, and why you love that tool. So ito, halimbawa, si Bluehost, what it does, it's a hosting where you can host websites, why I love them. Diba? Like, two-liner lang. Lalagay ko, I've been with Bluehost since 2012. I host my 3 websites with them. I've stuck with them because their customer service is great. So even if I'm not a techie, I can find my way around through a system. Tapos, ito, affiliate link yan dapat. So these are your tools. You have these sections available. Kunwari, ayan, Matt McWilliams. This is a person that I personally follow for affiliate management. Tapos ayan, meron siyang books, products, and all. So I'll put that here. You can have your own section, general section for freelancers. Ayan, nandito si Tribe. You can put links here. Ito, kunwari naman, like if it's not, ito na, diba, nagiging unrelated na siya to your skill, but sometimes you may be speaking to an audience na can relate sa na naa-attract mo. Halimbawa, if you're a parent and sabihin natin na ang most ng network mo are also moms, mga work-at-home moms, then you can put resources that help you as a parent. So halimbawa, there's this product called Children Learning Reading. Ayan, na mga, if you click it, may mga bata na 2 years old, 8 months, 3 years old na marunong na magbasa. This has an affiliate program. So you can share about it. Magkano yan? $79, parang, kung alala ko, 40% yung affiliate commission nila. So, ayun, diba? If your audience are mostly moms or parents that pwede mo siyang lagay dito. Or recommended reads mo, pwedeng nandito rin. So overall, this is not just a list of affiliate offers, it's a list of everything you recommend. And you only have to update this like twice a year. Pwede nga once a year pa. And then this link is what you now share in your profile or in your tap link, in your resources, or every time may magtanong sa'yo, ito lahat ng recommended resources ko. Check mo na lang siya. And then let them, rabbit hole na parang, oh wow, recommended niyo pa. Oh, sige. 'Di ba? Nakatulong ka ng way in a hindi one-on-one, but somehow semi-automated. And that's a very evergreen approach to affiliate marketing. So once you have this list, dumadali na lahat. Meron ka na itong sheet mo and the list. Ayun. So, any questions so far about this? Tanong ni Jessica, is it also okay to send this out to friends, for example, to friends who are new parents? Ano yung it? Send yung itong guide na to?
Hi, Coach.
Yes.
Opo, itong guide na to, kunyari, dun sa example ninyo na may children's books ba yun? So, let's say I have a friend who's a new parent. We can send this also to them via, let's say, SMS, messenger.
And you just share the doc.
Okay.
You just share the doc. So, in your message, it could be something like, hey, ganito, it's, or normally inbound eh. Kapag nag-query sila, may nagtanong dito, will you be discussing how to promote properly, promote as an affiliate? Hindi, that won't be our topic today kasi that's for another session eh. Like, very program dependent na yon, yung how do you promote something. For now, have this, and for many affiliate programs naman, meron silang guides na pinoprovide dapat. Then, so sagutin ko muna itong, yes,
Sorry
go
po,
ahead.
expound ko lang yung last nyo na sinabi na normally inbound. So, ibig sabihin naka-pin lang ito sa, let's say, sa Facebook page namin. And then, when you say normally inbound, nakita nila, tapos, ay, kailangan ko to. Okay. Thank you, Coach. Thank you.
Iba yung atake natin if kunwari nagla-lunch. Kunwari, tribe lunch. Iba yung atake ko dun. Kasi that's actively promoting, di ba, a free webinar, their training, or kung anumang program yan, sasabayan mo kung ano yung funnel nila. And again, that's a topic for a different time. Their affiliate manager or kung sino man yung marketing people nila should somehow give guidance or communicate to affiliates. Then, paano siya gagawin? Etong tinatakal natin ngayon is mainly the lifestyle of, nagpo-promote ka as an affiliate from time to time while also doing freelance. Nag-make sense ba yan?
Yes po, Coach. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks po.
Okay, thank you. So, tanong ni F comes here na how do you monitor everything kapag marami ka ng pinopromote? Ito yun. Fill out this sheets. Camps. Kasi dito ka na hindi malilitaw. Kapag meron ka ng link, actually meron pa nga ito dapat pwedeng isa kayo. You can just add na parang affiliate portal. Yan, tapos dito kung magla-log in, ito na yung link mo, and so on. So we recommend updating this and the template that you have like 1 to 2 times a year. Kasi sometimes nagbabago naman yung affiliate links, nagbabago ng portal, nagbabago ng software si client, then okay lang yun. Next, Joy is asking, you teach us din po how to build the funnels for affiliate programs. Hindi, out of scope yun. Of the training today. Could be a follow-up. But I don't think ako na yung hindi na ata ako best person to teach that. Joan is asking, upon receiving commissions, what is the best platform to receive the money other than PayPal? sometimes nag-wire transfer sila. So depende yan sa affiliate program ng mga tao. And then, ito palang teach how to promote. I think there will be a separate training na Luis will talk about later on. Tama ba, Luis?
Sorry, umuha ako.
Wala muna.
Hindi, mamaya announce natin yung ano.
Mamaya. Sige, mamaya daw. Okay. Meron bang nare-reject sa affiliate program? Yes, meron. Parang love life lang din yan. May rejection talaga. But okay lang yun. If you get rejected once, like, move forward and just move on to the next offer na meron. Kasi as you get bigger naman, yung quality mo as an affiliate tumataas din eh. So some affiliate programs will be choosy. Hindi natin sila makokontrol. So let me wrap up our training and then move into the full Q&A na. Let me share screen ulit. So ngayon na marunong kayong maghanap ng affiliate program, this is how you should determine if you should promote something as an affiliate. The two questions lang yan. The first question is, will this help people in your audience or network? Okay? Kung makakatulong ba sa kanila yung program na pinopromote mo? That's the first condition. And in answering this question, note na hindi mo kailangan maging student of that program to actually promote it. Kasi yung journey mo or yung path mo may be different from your audience. Halimbawa, I learned online marketing from a program that was available way back 2012. Hindi na available yung program na yun ngayon. Yung author din ng program na yun is hindi na rin nagtuturo ng digital marketing. So if I'm gonna be recommending something, I would look for similar programs and I would recommend it based on that na, this teaches about this topic. So if you're a beginner, enroll here. Even if hindi ko pa go through yung program. So okay lang yun. As long as it serves the people in your audience or network. Okay? Next is number 2, are you willing to put your name behind the product or behind the owner? Kasi again, we're lending trust to other people dito. So yung pangalan mo yung nakataya eh. That's why ang saya mag-promote ng programs nila John, nila Alan, and the mga coaches na ang goal nila when they have affiliate programs is hindi mapahiya yung affiliates nila. Kasi they understand na as an affiliate, you're putting out your name there. Kaya they really want to deliver value kasi ayaw nilang mapahiya yung affiliates. That's a sign of a good affiliate program. So that's the second question na you should be asking. Are you willing to put your name behind it or the owner or the product? Your answers to these questions must be a yes. Like must yun. Otherwise, you will encounter problems down the line na nasisira yung integrity mo dahil you're promoting products na hindi rin maganda. Now, wala naman perfect na product. Every customer will sometimes have like feedback na, sana ganyan, o hindi ko nagustuhan yung part na ganun. But still, question number 2, willing ka ba to put your name behind it na, hindi, ganyan talaga yan. Parang, tama yung produkto, yung feedback mo yung ayusin mo, parang ganun. So, yun yung sense of belief you have in the product. If you have both, that's the only time you promote. It shouldn't be just about commissions lang. So anything less, mag-pass kayo doon. Kasi long term, hindi ka mag-grow if kung ano-ano lang yung affiliate products na pinopromote natin. And I experienced that. Like, from when I first discovered affiliate marketing, there was like 2000, siguro mga 2014, 2015, na-addict ako into affiliate offers ng mga international offer dito, affiliate offer ganyan, until I was able to receive an email ng bad experience ng client, tas parang, refund ko yung ganito ko kay gantong person. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung experience, tas ayaw siyang i-refund. Kaya galit ngayon yung tao sa akin. And you do not want to be placed in that position kasi talagang makakasira siya ng integrity. Okay? And then one final question na lang, ito, baka lang may nag-iisip. Last point, baka may nag-iisip, will I lose clients or customers if I recommend other people? Like if I recommend my competitor or others na pwede. Tandaan lang natin to, that with the people that we know, 90+% niyan will be just our general audience. A small percentage will be our leads or hot leads, mag-engage sa content natin, and then less than 1% really yung nagiging customers or clients. Of the people we know, hindi lang yung of the people joining the funnel, but clients na to. So when we promote affiliate offers, we get to actually serve yung 90% and 9%. And you get to expand more customers then. Ayan. So with that, yun lang yung final pahabol items. And sabi dito ni Evelyn, for me, I'd rather promote something or someone I believe in. Yes, laging ganun talaga. Dapat ganun talaga. Then I'll open the floor for questions. Kamusta tayo, Luis, on time?
4:16? Okay naman.
May ano ba tayo? Like, a target?
4:30? Andito ba si
Or-
Cheat? Nakita ko may sumali na dyan pagulayan.
So Ina Espinilla is asking, hey John. Tanong niya, marirecommend niyo po ba na kung halimbawa yung coach na client niyo ay gawa ng affiliate tapos i-promote mo rin? Yes, kung maganda yung results ni coach then go for it. Actually, ito like, if you know coaches na maganda yung program nila, you can actually bring it up na pwede sila mag-start ng affiliate program kahit starting simple, but that's again a different topic. Or if may malaki silang audience size, pwede rin ikaw mag-volunteer na, coach, meron kang buyers list or meron ng non-buyers list of sabihin natin 10,000 people. So yung non-buyers list, can we make affiliate offers to them? I know some programs na okay, tapos I just earn a commission from our affiliate sales. So pwede rin yun kung ikaw yung marketer niya. Maraming ways to collaborate. Tanong ni Glenn, sa tagal niyo nag-affiliate, what types usually mataas ang percentage or madali i-promote and have success with? You want to promote, aside from the two questions kanina na you believe in and can help people, you want to promote yung programs na meron ng proven funnel. Ibig sabihin, nakikita mo na silang nakakabenta. Kasi as an affiliate, if we have to do all the legwork na convincing, mas mahirap yun. Kasi kailangan na magdadala ka na lang ng tao, sila na magko-convert for you, then that's gonna be good. Okay, Cams is asking, what's your best practice for promoting? Or pinaka nag-work sa iyo na medium? Okay, from affiliates that I've worked with, meron ako na-observe na parang results cap. If you're promoting on social media, yung pinaka-viral na affiliates can probably generate like maximum 30 to 40 sales. But if you want to go like top affiliate levels, ang pinaka nag-work na medium is have an email list. Yan ang pinaka-powerful converting thing, like having an email list. Social media works, it can get you 1, 2, 3, up to maybe 30 sales kung marami kang followers and you're going all out. But email converts best talaga and scales the highest din. Jenaline, Luis, tama ba na binabasa ko lang yung question to sasagutin ko? Or dapat ano natin, pasalitain sila or raise hand? Ganun.
If you need clarification, pwede naman sila itanong.
Sige. Okay. I hope nasasagot ko yung questions. Mag-comment lang kayo. Pwede kayo mag-click unmute para lang maintindihan. I want to make sure I answer these well. Jenaline, sana nasabi ko correctly. If ma-approve ka sa an affiliate for a certain business, tuturo ba sa'yo yung script how to promote? Ideally, yes. Sometimes, no. So, depende yan sa ganda ng affiliate program nila. Kasi maraming affiliate program na hindi nagtuturo na on how to do it. It assumes na marunong ka na. But in general, ang pinaka-tip ko dyan on how to promote something, you have 3 key messages. Let me write that down. No? Wala siya dito. Sige. Promoting as an affiliate. Ito yung core messages lagi. Number 1, story of your transformation. How this benefited you. Next is an offer on what's the product, who is it for. Tapos 3 is bonuses. Right? Or something bigger. Personal bonuses or okay. So explain ko to super quick. This doesn't mean 3 posts but a series of posts or pwedeng paulit-ulit na ito yung topic but it's ito yung topic but pwedeng sinacycle mo siya. So pwede siyang 3 posts or pwede siyang like the first part is chop into 3 posts and then ito dalawang post, ito dalawang post and so on. Kasi depende yan sa launch. The first thing you need to establish with your audience is yung story kung bakit mo to pinopromote all of a sudden. Like you're doing your thing, why are you all of a sudden talking about this? It's because probably nagkaroon ka ng benefit because of the product. So yun yung ini-establish nitong first line. The second line is a very clear message nung ano ba yung product or ano ba tong free webinar, ano ba tong free lead magnet, and who is it for, sign up ka kung para sa'yo ito. Kasi whenever you're promoting an affiliate offer, hindi talaga siya directly connected to your audience madalas eh. Normally, it could be a sidestep of it or a complementary offer. So, halimbawa, ang top naisip ko na lang dito is si Bea Vergara. So, Bea has an audience of mostly freelancers kasi she's a prominent member ng tribe, I think, at the time. And then she got herself fitness results with a fitness program. So, yung way of promotion niya ngayon is, teka lang, why am I parang freelancer ako, I'm a funnel strategist, why am I suddenly talking about fitness? It was because as a freelancer, stressed ako, I was going through these physical challenges, etc. So, na-establish niya yung story na to. And it's still relatable to freelancers. So, yun yung first connection that we need to make. The second set of posts will be clear call to action na ano yung product, what does it do. And then the third is, magparamdaman ng affiliate na parang, wow, hindi lang to pera-pera, it means something. So how do we make our audience feel that? Third is by giving out personal bonuses. Yung tipong kapag nag-sign up ka dito, you get these extra things because I really support this program. Versus like, I recommend this. Ito, naglalagay ka ng, it's like you're putting your money where your mouth is. Kasi naglalagay ka ng personal bonuses mo. Alternatively, kung hindi naman bonuses, you go for the bigger mission. Na like, I'm all in with the mission of this company. Na their goal is to make freelancing a household name. Or parang ganun. So yan yung 3 critical posts that you should share and sprinkle in all your promotions if you want it to translate effectively. This is on top of the marketing funnel or yung sales process na meron yung product. So, let me go into an example. No? Kunwari, ako, ipopromote ko yung, di ba, nag-example ako kanina ng children learning reading. Ito. Ayan, itong program na to, kunwari, affiliate ako nito. Like, my first story would be na kailangan kong malabas is paano ko naturuan din yung anak ko magbasa. And then next is this is for parents na want to give their kids an advantage on reading and so on. And then third, hindi ako magbibigay ng personal bonuses but I'd hit on the bigger mission na siguro sasabihin ko something like as a parent, I believe that we should give our kids the best advantage that they could have in life. Parang ganun. I'm making this up. But kaya sinishare ko to even if hindi ako, parang hindi siya directly in my niche. Kasi the reason why I'm doing my business is because I want to provide for my kids. So, give them a better life, etc. And I know marami sa audience natin are also parents. So I thought this resource could help. Ganun. Okay? I hope that answers that question. Paano? Sino yung nasagot ko na question? Best practice for promotion. Yun yung 3 key things. Jaysa is asking, I'm not sure if discussed since late sa pag-join, is there a difference between an affiliate program and referral program or same lang yun? Same lang yun. Affiliate program, referral program, ambassador program, ano pa ba? Refer a friend program, friends. People will name it different things, but if you get a benefit for referring clients, yun yan, affiliate program yan. Okay, Evelyn mentions, excited here to use all those AI tools in promoting. Yeah, go for it kung kaya mo. Ako, wala akong alam sa AI. Hindi pa ako nakakasulit yan. Alright. Nats Mago is asking, some of the programs I promote now, wala pa silang affiliate link or system. Pero truthful naman sila sa commission na binibigay sa akin. Tanong ko po, pwede po ba na ako na lang mag-create ng sarili kong system and links? Okay lang yan. So, not some affiliate programs really don't have affiliate links yet, pero manual setup sila. And as long as nandiyan naman yung trust, that's okay. Sometimes they will just give out coupon codes. Sometimes they rely on Like this is referred by blank, where clients fill out a form. Sometimes they trust the affiliate to say na, uy, sige yan, referral ko. So for smaller affiliate programs, like kung kunwari, sa freelancing, sa service industry, kapag mag-refer ka ng client to someone, tapos may usapan kayo na, or may program siya na, hey, anyone who gets me a client, bibigyan ko ng 50,000 pesos. Parang hindi mo naman mag-deny yung act of pagkuha ng client. Kasi it's such a big activity. So, madaling i-ano yung referral na, oh, pala, sino nag-refer sa'yo? Tapos, uy, balita ko kay ganito. Nag-sign up na siya sa client mo. So, okay lang yung ganong setup. Especially for for higher value services type. Pero for courses, then, it becomes impractical na manual eh. Lalo na kapag pumapasok na sa hundreds of transactions. So, gumagamit na ng link doon.
So, i-refer mo na sila kay J3 para masetapan na.
Oo, tas hire ko si Luis para i-set up yung affiliate program. Ayun, si Luis, marunong mag-set up ng mga affiliate programs. So yun.
So, bibigyan kita ng referral commission.
Mag-end up naman pareho tayong makukuha nun. Kasi tuturuan ko yung affiliates, isa-set up mo yung tech. Refer an X program. Parang pagkaganyan ata, yung iba yung magbabayad. Or hindi commission yung ano. Tanong ni Aldrich, maganda rin ba mag-affiliate sa ClickBank or Commission Junction? Or mas maganda mag-search na lang? Babalik tayo dun sa only promote programs you 100% believe in and will help your audience. Don't try to make affiliate marketing as your main career. Kasi very sleazy yun. Affiliate manager ako. Sinasabi ko, but the people who pursue yung affiliate marketing ng tuloy-tuloy, it's a short-lived business, it's a short-lived brand. Kasi hindi sila nakapag-build ng sarili nilang brand. Kasi they're always just promoting this and that and this and that.
Can I answer that, man? Yung tanong niya, bro.
Go.
Aldrin, man, I'm not sure if you're really familiar with ClickBank or Commission Junctions, but most of the products they are paano ba? For the lack of a better term, scam. Ganun. Like they're not, aside from the fact na yung product hindi gumagana the way they're being sold, hindi rin siya magandang ano. Like mabibilang ko lang sa daliri ko yung mga products na maayos sa ClickBank talaga. And I know this for a fact kasi I've been an affiliate marketer. Actually, next susunod na training, we're gonna be talking about that. But yun nga, like I've been doing that for years. Tapos yan, yung kaya okay yung criteria ni J3 na dalawa, yung it's something that you can get behind on regardless kung gaano man kalaki yung commissions. Yan. Teka, what the hell? Bakit yung mukha ko? Basta yun, ingat lang kasi reputation is your reputation is something you wanna protect.
Kaya nga tayo nag-discuss nung paano mo integrate dun sa like meron kang main career. Kasi if we go to the promotion agad, hindi, di ba, parang ma-risk mo yung long term na
right.
Yung reputation mo.
There's a way naman to do affiliate marketing without really sacrificing your reputation. May like pen names and all that, but ayun, yung base sa tinuturo dito ni J3, yung this way, iba siya. Iba yung the way we do it. Yun lang.
Pero while you're there, so since nabanggit na rin na we're gonna a next training.
Go.
And na-mention na rin ni J3 na the most effective way talaga and most scalable is having a email list. Gusto nyo bang magkaroon ng email list? Or do you want to like learn how to build one? Para dun nyo na lang i-send affiliate promote niya. Yan.
Ayun,
So,
yes daw.
yan. Dami. So, si Chief na yung bahala sa inyo.
Ayun, so next
Pinasa na.
next week, walang replay to, hindi ko, ito talaga dahil, ito na lang, just to give you a further, back in 2013, mga ganun, I was doing affiliate marketing. One of the markets that I'm in is the dog training market.
Oh, wala. Feeling ko, ng baterya.
Lalo tayo sa dog training market.
Feeling ko na wala ng baterya. I think that's the most John thing to ever happen. Okay, so we'll wait for him to come back. Pero basically, so now busy lang tayo sa Tribe Anib and we can't parang hindi namin mafocusan yun right now. Pero ayan, dito na si Chief ulit. Sige. Siya na ulit.
Nawala ako, pre. Yan. And then just to give a context lang naman. I was in like one of my niches was dog training. Tapos siguro, pinakita ko kay Luis to around $6,000 yata yun. From affiliate marketing. That's for 1 year and that's for one of the niches that I was in. So another niche that I was in was personal development. Kaya alam na alam ko yung mga punyetang clickbank products na yan, walang kwenta. So at one point, dumaan din ako dun sa phase na gusto ko lang ng pera. Mga ganun lang. Walang pakialam sa repercussions and all that. Pero ayun, I'm gonna be showing you that. And then ito na lang yung mga mag-a-attend na lang doon sa yung mga mag-a-attend doon sa training next week. Ang plano namin ni Luis, kami nagagawa ng emails. We're gonna show you how to have the landing page ng libre, even the design, and all that. Basta yung pinaka system to actually do it. Pati yung ESP, we're gonna show you how to use a free email service provider na hanggang 1,000 subscribers yata yun, how you can use it, systematize it and all that. Yun, inaral pa namin kung paano namin siya gagawin para magpapadala na lang kayo doon ng mga leads, tapos whenever there's a promotion going on na may kinalaman sa freelancing, mag-email na lang kayo doon, ganun. So, instant affiliate income. But I'm gonna do a training as well para you can do it in multiple niches din. Yan. Pero yun nga, wala siyang replay. Ayoko mag-replay nun, pre. Masyado siyang valuable para lagyan ng
sige. Basta hindi mo
replay.
yung leave meeting. Kasi
may tumawag kasi sa akin, pare. Tawag sa akin, dinidecline ko yung meeting dito yung na leave ko, Alan. Pero ayun, yun yung siguro next week, no, kaya na natin yung gawin.
Sinabi mo na next week. So, kailangan.
Hindi, baka lang naman di kasi natin kaya, di ba? Pero kung kaya naman next week.
Yeah.
Tapos naman na yung sana kayanin namin. Yan naman talaga yun eh. Para yung mga gusto mag-refer sa Tribe, di ba, mga ganon, and other freelancing programs out there, you can easily do so. Nang hindi yung tinatadtad ng puro post yung Facebook, ganon. Di ba sabi nga ni J3 kanina, di ba? Hindi naman sa nagyayabang kami or anything dahil email marketer ako, pero email pa rin talaga. Email talaga. Solid talaga. Lakas ng ano. Yan.
May stats
Yun lang.
ka na ba, J3? Like yung number one, like email marketer siya. Tapos yung number two, kumbaga, Facebook siya. Tapos yung layo nung
Oo.
Oo, lagi yan.
Si ano,
Lagi
si
number
Mark,
one yung nag-email.
si Mark Darwin, di ba, pre?
Mm.
Laging top yun sa EUI. List lang ang meron. Bira lang naman mag-post
Sa
sa
Facebook.
Facebook yun eh. Pero pag, last time binigay namin commission sa kanya, parang 500,000 yata yun. Grabe naman yun. And, pero
Yep.
mga ganun yung gusto natin gawin for you guys. Yan, yun lang. Salamat J3 pre for doing this.
Thank you din for the chance.
Yeah. And Luis man,
Ayun.
salamat din.
See you sa Sunday.
Ay, see you nga pala guys sa Sunday, sa mga pupunta. Sa mga hindi pupunta, bahala kasi sa buhay nyo, tablado kayo sa akin. Tang-away. Tang-away.
Nagtampo.
Sisiguraduhin ko talaga hindi pumunta, magsisisi talaga hindi sila pumunta. Yun talaga yung gagawin ko talaga. Gagawin ko lahat. Para
Para magsisi. Sayang.
para lang magsisi sila. Yun lang.
Narinig yun ha.
Walang live stream. Magsisi kayo, hindi kayo sumama. See you guys sa mga pupunta. And maraming salamat. Ayan.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Right?
Life Mastery session ulit next month, end of the month. May naka-line up na topic. We'll talk about that later on pagkatapos nitong affiliate part 2. So thank you guys again. See you Sunday and yeah. Have a great rest of the week. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. Sabihin ko sana mag-macho dancing si Chief sa anib.
Tumigil ka. Nandito pa ako. Naririnig ko yung mga pinagsasabi mo.
Magpapabuti yan.
Ipagpasa Diyos mo na wag kong gawin yan. Mag-uuwian kayo, promise.
Bye-bye.
Bye.